Good evening, everyone. I hope you all had a good day. Kind of a little rough day to trade, but not too bad. Now, I'm going to post my link real quick and we'll get started real quick. We'll keep it nice and short today. Let's see. All right, let's give about 30 seconds to see, let people join. All right, folks, as always, it'll be recorded. So I'll post the recorded link after I'm done here. So let's get started real quick. Let's jump on to the SPY. SPY yesterday. Now I'm writing all these here so you guys can keep an eye on this. So we were watching 416 level today, which we could not close above. We did wick it for a few minutes, but we came right back down. So for more upside, we do need to break above 416 to see the 50 SMA, which is around 425.91. But before that, again, we do have that 421.31 level, which is your 50% retrace as per the fibs. So we are going to watch that level after that. I am expecting we might consolidate here for a little bit, but if we break below 410 again, guys, we're going to head back down to 404 level. All right, so keep an eye on 410 on SPY. If we break that, it's headed to 404, which is your 9 EMA. All right, on the tech side did the same thing. We were watching, if you guys remember right here, we wrote it down above 410. We wanted to close above that. We would see 315 and then 320 after that, but we did not close above that. We did we had a sell off at the end of the day. So we will be watching 310 level again. But today there was a pretty decent candle to the downside on the Qs in the morning. So I'll be keeping an eye on 304 level. But most likely, I think if we get below 307 again, which was your pre-market lows from today. So watch this area. I would watch this 306.73 area. If we break below that one, I think we might head back down. But I think, honestly, the way it was today, we might consolidate for a little bit before we head back up again. So let's see. But the wicks here, again, we have been watching this wicks too, if you guys remember. This 50 SMA, look where we bounced today. Exactly at this 50 SMA, which is at 25.93. We want to close below that for a squeeze on the upside if we need it. So keep an eye on this VIX. That's your volatility index. Tesla did close slightly above my line here, which is at 757 roughly here. I did not play this today much. I want to see, there it is. We did write it down yesterday. I am looking for 710 to 713 area to enter into this Tesla long and then keep my stop below 700. There were a decent call buying coming in today for 800 calls for this week and next week. Also a reminder, this is a short week, so don't forget your premiums will burn really, really quick. So I would prefer that you would guys go at least for next week or a week after. Amazon, who played Amazon? I got plenty of messages on this one today, guys, and I'm super proud of you guys for playing this one. We were talking about this 315 level. If you look at this 315, look where we bounced today, right at this 315. So we bounced right at it, and then boom, we came a little short of our target here around 2460. But honestly, I think we might see that tomorrow. So keep an eye on that one. 460 to 470, easy target for Amazon. The next one is AMD. AMD, as I said right here, as long as we are above 99, we will see 104.50. And today we hit 104.50. We did play this one briefly. We scalped it and we let it go. As I said, those are weekly contracts, so I did close them right away. So 104.50 on AMD, watch that closely. If we break that, we will see 109 area on that one, 109.50-ish. So keep a close eye on 104.50. Home Depot, we do have our trigger set on this one alert. It has not hit yet, so I am waiting on 299, 300 area to buy this one and keep my stop below 97 on Home Depot. Facebook worked out today for you guys played. I got a couple messages on this one too. It was bullish as long as we held 192, and today's low was 192.01. So as long as it holds on to that today, and tomorrow, sorry, it is a long. I saw some call buying come into June 17, if I'm not wrong, June 17, 200 and 205 calls. So keep a close eye on Facebook. Google. Who played Google today? We are in Google still, and we are playing this one. I got in late a little bit because I wasn't expecting that kind of day. I thought, everything would be on Amazon, but Google decided to pick up too. So I was hoping for a dip below 2200, but I said, even if we get about 2260, we are going to push on this one. So again, if you get a dip around 2260 in the morning, I would buy this one again. So keep an eye on this one. I think Google is going to make a run just like Amazon as soon as it's done on June 3rd. The next round is for Google, guys. Don't miss out on this one. Look at the volume today. The volume is increasing, and this is what you want to see. We broke the downtrend. So I think this is going to ignore the overall market, and this might possibly keep pushing all the way up to 2,500. So keep an eye on this one, and I would keep my stop below 2,200. If it breaks below, go ahead and short it. But as long as we are going to hold on to this 2,200 area, stay long. And I am looking at, we are already in July 15th, 2,500 calls. So keep an eye on this one. The other name I'm watching starting today, we already played this one. We are still in this one, Exxon. I am seeing a lot of put activity come into the oil names, so keep an eye on Oxy, MRO, XLE, and Exxon. Exxon, today's candle, look at the sell volume candle today. It was crazy, but you might find some support around 94.50 area. But if that 94.50 breaks, we're going to head back all the way down to 87.30 area, which is your 50 SMA. If you look at it, that has been the trend. As soon as it breaks this 90 MA, it is resting on this 50 SMA. So keep an eye on 94.50. So let's go ahead and set our alerts. I will cover my short position around here, but if it breaks below 94.50, I will add back and get back in this one. So crossing down, if it crosses below 94.50, it will alert me. Let's look at CRM next. Sarah, luckily that was on my list today. It did have an ER today, and it's up nicely, I believe. It's going for 174, 175. I had a resistance at 170.50. The next area I'm looking at is 180 and 188. This can easily head up to at least 50 SMA. So look for 180.30 area and then 184. If it breaks 184, you'll look at 188 and then 196. I did not get too deep into the ER, Sarah, so I don't know how their ER was. I just looked at the overview and it looked really good. So just keep an eye on that one. And your support on this one is 161.50. The longer term support, the short term support is at 166. All right, folks, this is all I have for today. Again, just a quick review, on the levels. SPY, watch 416 and 410. Qs, watch 310 and 306.70 area. VIX below 25.70, it's gone. And Home Depot, I'll be keeping a close eye on too. If I get an entry around anywhere between 297 and 299 would be nice. And Facebook, as long as it holds 192, stay long. Now, my big one on this one, I'm going to push it again, guys. Google, do not miss this trade. If you get an entry anywhere between 2200 and 2260, that's a great entry. But my God, even if this is going to run, just keep a close eye on it. You'll make a nice bank on it. All right, folks, this is all I have for it. I will post a recorded link here in just a few minutes. I'll post it on Twitter. All right.